Artie McYarty, here with another one. Hey folks, today we're spraying some liquid fertilizer and liquid micronutrients, all in one spoon juice. Yeah, that's right. And then just for good measure, I'm trying to get rid of some of my old Foreplay and RGS, just throwing a shot of each of those in there in the mix as well. Not necessary though, because spoon juice is an all-in-one solution. So for this application, this plot of land, I'm putting about 45 ounces of spoon juice, since it calls for about 15 ounces per 1,000 square feet per 1 gallon of water. So that's 45 total ounces of spoon juice for this plot of land you see behind me. If you got more questions on my backpack sprayer by Yard Mastery, please lay them on me. If you got more questions on application rates and how to properly apply to your lawn for said applications, let me know. I am more than happy to go over with you. For the RGS, I did about 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet, because especially now, right, it's about 92 degrees and it says anything over 85 degrees, don't go more than 3 ounces per square feet so you don't burn that lawn. And then for the Foreplay, I did about 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet. But again, there's just a little bit left in there and I'm just getting rid of what I got. Because we all know the next latest and greatest thing that's replacing Foreplay and Hydrotain and all those. Yeah, you guessed it. Moisture Max. Boy, oh boy, I can't wait for this one. Alright folks, this is my favorite part. Got the cocktail all mixed together, and now satisfyingly pouring it into my backpack sprayer. And I'm going to top it off to about 3 gallons of water, right? Because once again, this is 3,000 square foot application, right? So that calls for 3 gallons of water in that tank sprayer. And that will be a good, solid ratio, good mix. And based on the walk time and all that, as long as you walk at the Amazon pace or walk as a tall, proud American, you should be able to time it perfectly. Pro tip: spray a few seconds of that sprayer inside the tank, so then you get the liquid running through the hose and the wand. Alrighty, let's get to it. It's go time. Stay tuned to the end of the video, because after this hard, long yard work day, I'm taking the kids out to some mini golf and the beach.
Been a while since I saw you. Only well wishes for you. Try my best to ignore you. Baby, you one of a kind. Heard you got a man, hope he spoils you. Cause you deserve someone loyal, someone who can adore you. Yeah, I know when you feel good, know when you sad. What get you mad? Things you done been through. I know the real you, and he got your life out of control. Baby, you way out of this league. Let me show you real. wait just to know you. We just clicked when we spoke to. Baby, you've been on my mind. And I've been around the world, seen many faces, couldn't find her, yeah. Girl, you was all I was missing this whole time. I know when you feel good, know when you sad, what get you mad, things you done been through. I know the real you, and you got your life out of control. Baby, you way out of this league. Let me show you real love. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better than him. Yeah. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better than him. Zale the one who like it low.
Daddy, here's another one. Hey, folks. I record Daddy. Daddy Mickey, Daddy, here's another one.
Don't touch it. We don't know what it is.
We can mark it through the air.
Yeah.